Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get 1win coins. This is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1win account, and to do so you will simply click on sign up. Here you're going to enter all your information. Next you're going to click on add promo code, and here you're simply going to enter the promo code MONAS. By using this promo code you will get 100% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $450. Now you are simply going to click on the free money option that you can find here at the home page. Now you are going to find out all of these options of small games that you are able to do, or small tasks that you permit you to gain free money, or basically 1win coins. So you are simply going to find that this one, the 1win token, and before they get listed on exchange, you are simply going to play a game to end it. Here you are going to find out your 1win coins and your balance. As you can see, I have 100 1win coin, so I'm simply going to play this bonus of 200 1win coin game for a Telegram subscription. This is simply a simple task that I can do in order to earn more 1win coins. So as you can see, there are many options for you to use to check and earn more and more bonus coin from the platform of 1win in order to benefit a reward or more money using them. And it's as simple as that.